Why can't we see air? Look around you right now. You're surrounded by something incredibly powerful. It fills every space, enters your body every second, and can even destroy entire cities during storms. But here's the strange part. You can't see it, so the question is, why can't we see air? Today, we're going deeper than ever, into the invisible world around you. You'll discover what air is made of, how light makes things visible, and even the scientists who uncovered its secrets. By the end of this video, you might start looking at nothing very differently. Let's zoom in, way beyond what your eyes can see. Everything in the universe is made of atoms. These are the smallest building blocks of matter, and when atoms combine, they form molecules. Air is made up of these tiny particles, mainly about 78% nitrogen, about 21% oxygen, and small amounts of carbon dioxide, argon, and other gases. For example, oxygen in the air exists as a molecule made of two oxygen atoms bonded together.
No!
Now here's the mind-blowing part. These atoms and molecules are in constant motion.
Ouch!
They're moving at high speeds, bouncing off each other, filling every corner around you. But despite all that movement, they are incredibly far apart compared to their size. That means most of the air around you is actually empty space. That's one of the biggest reasons why you can't see it. Now you might ask, who discovered air? The truth is, no single person discovered it, but many scientists helped us understand it. In the 1600s, Robert Boyle showed that air isn't just nothing, it has weight and pressure. Then in the 1700s, Joseph Priestley discovered oxygen, a gas that supports life and fire. Later, Antoine Lavoisier explained that air is actually a mixture of gases, made up of different atoms and elements. So what we call air today is really the result of centuries of discovery. Now let's answer the main question. We see things because of light. Light travels in straight lines. When it hits an object, it can reflect, be absorbed, or scatter. When light reflects into your eyes, your brain processes it, and that's how you see. Solid objects, like walls, trees, and your phone, have tightly packed atoms. These atoms interact strongly with light, reflecting it back to your eyes. But air is different. The atoms in air are extremely small, spread far apart, and don't interact much with visible light. So instead of reflecting, light simply passes through. No reflection equals nothing for your eyes to detect equals invisibility. But here's where it gets interesting. Even though air is invisible, there are moments when we almost see it. For example, on a hot day, roads look wavy or blurry. This happens because hot air and cool air bend light differently. This bending of light is called refraction. You can also see air when smoke mixes with it, dust floats in sunlight, or clouds form in the sky. In these cases, particles inside the air scatter light, making it visible. So technically, air can be seen, just not in its pure form. Now imagine a world where air was visible. Everywhere you look, you'd see billions of moving particles. The sky might look thick and cloudy all the time. Your room could feel foggy even when it's clean. Driving would be harder, seeing far distances would be difficult. Even simple things like watching a sunset would look completely different.
Yeah!
In a strange way, air being invisible is what makes our world feel clear, open, and beautiful. So the next time you take a deep breath, think about this. You're breathing in billions of invisible atoms, moving, colliding, and keeping you alive every second. And maybe there's a deeper lesson here. Just because something is invisible, doesn't mean it isn't powerful. Air, time, energy, opportunities. Some of the most important things in your life can't be seen. But they're always there, quietly shaping your future.